6 Little Stories. Once, all villagers decided to pray for rain. On the day of prayer, all the people gathered, but only one boy came with an umbrella. That's faith. When you throw a baby in the air, she laughs because she knows you will catch her. That's trust. Every night we go to bed, without any assurance of being alive the next morning, but still we set the alarms to wake up. That's hope. We plan big things for tomorrow in spite of zero knowledge of the future. That's confidence. We see the world suffering, but still we get together. That's love. On an old man's shirt was written a cute sentence. I am not 60 years old, I am sweet 16 with 44 years experience. That's attitude. Don't read alone, pass it.